Finding a great piano doesn't have to break the bank. Digital pianos offer a perfect mix of quality, affordability, and convenience. These compact and modern instruments bring the essence of a traditional piano without the hefty price tag, making them an ideal choice for beginners and experienced players alike. That's why in this video, I'll be covering the 5 best digital pianos under $200 and helping you figure out which one is the perfect fit for your needs. If you're interested in checking the current prices of each piano or want to purchase one, I'll leave the links in the video description and the first comment so you can easily check them out. Are you looking for a compact digital keyboard that's perfect for beginners and easy to carry around? The RockJam RJ549, featuring 49 keys, is the ideal solution for small spaces and a lightweight option you can take anywhere. This keyboard is incredibly versatile, offering the option to run on batteries or electric power, so you can use it at home or on the go. For those just starting out, it includes removable note stickers that help you identify the notes on each key, making it easier to build muscle memory as you progress through your lessons. One of its standout features is its compatibility with the Simply Piano app, available on iOS and Android devices. This app gives you access to exclusive learning content to guide your musical journey. To enhance your playing experience, the RockJam RJ549 is equipped with 2 built-in stereo speakers that deliver clear, adjustable sound with up to 16 settings. And if you prefer to practice without distractions, there's a headphone jack for private sessions that won't disturb others. The RockJam RJ549 combines portability, functionality, and learning tools, making it an excellent choice for anyone wanting to start their musical journey in a simple and practical way. It's easy to use, convenient to transport, and designed to help you learn with ease. Looking for a digital piano that's both complete and easy to use? The Alesis MELODY61 is a fantastic choice for beginners of all ages. This electric keyboard, with its 61 compact keys, is perfect for building finger strength and agility while exploring the world of piano playing. With 300 built-in sounds, you can experiment with different combinations like layering or splitting sounds and enhance your music with effects such as sustain and vibrato. The keyboard also comes with 300 accompaniment rhythms and 30 demo songs to help you easily dive into various musical styles. Plus, the recording mode and built-in metronome make it easy to improve your skills at your own pace. The MELODY61 is as practical as it is functional. Its lightweight and portable design means you can take it anywhere. And with the option to use 6 AA batteries, you can play without needing an outlet. It also comes with a sheet music or tablet stand, a power adapter, and access to online lessons from platforms like Scoob and Melodics, making it ideal for learning at your own speed. When it comes to connections, this keyboard has everything you need. It includes a sustain pedal input, an aux input for connecting your phone or tablet, and a headphone jack that mutes the speakers for private practice sessions. Additionally, the USB MIDI connection lets you use it with recording software or educational apps. The Alesis MELODY61 combines versatility, portability, and educational features to kickstart your musical journey with the best tools. It's the perfect companion for learning and enjoying the piano. Just a reminder, you can find all the purchase links with updated prices in the video description and the first comment. Are you thinking about learning to play the piano or looking for a versatile keyboard? The RockJam RJ761 is a fantastic choice. This kit includes a full-size 61-key digital keyboard, offering a feel similar to a traditional piano, but in a compact and portable design. You can power it with electricity or batteries, making it perfect to use anywhere. One standout feature is its touchscreen display panel, which not only shows helpful information, but also gives access to 200 rhythms, 200 tones, and educational features, including 30 demo songs. This makes it a great tool for both beginners and experienced musicians. The keyboard also comes with recording and playback functions, allowing you to create and refine your own compositions. Plus, the MIDI output lets you connect it seamlessly to digital audio workstations like Ableton or Logic, expanding your creative possibilities. The kit includes an adjustable stand and a foldable padded seat, ensuring comfort and stability during extended practice sessions. With a combination of functionality, portability, and comfort, the RockJam is the perfect all-in-one solution for anyone looking to learn or enhance their musical skills. Looking for a versatile digital piano packed with features? The Alesis Recital is an outstanding choice. This keyboard offers 88 full-size semi-weighted keys with adjustable touch sensitivity, making it perfect for both beginners and advanced players who want a customizable playing experience. The Alesis Recital delivers 5 high-quality sounds, including acoustic piano, electric piano, organ, synth, and bass. It also features built-in effects like reverb and chorus, along with 20-watt speakers for a rich, clear sound. With modes like standard, split, layer, and lesson, this digital piano lets you explore various techniques while learning and practicing. Designed with connectivity in mind, it includes a sustain pedal input, a 1/4-inch headphone output for private practice, and RCA outputs for connecting to external sound systems. Its portable design is another big plus. You can power it with the included adapter or use 60 batteries to take it anywhere. To support your learning journey, the Alesis Recital comes with a 3-month premium subscription to Scoob, featuring interactive lessons and 60 free lessons from Melodics to help you improve your skills. This keyboard combines functionality, portability, and premium sound, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a complete and affordable digital piano. Perfect for learning, practicing, and enjoying music wherever you go. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Discover the joy of music with the RockJam RJ654, a compact digital piano designed for those who want to learn and practice with ease. With its 54 full-size keys, this keyboard gives you a playing experience similar to a traditional piano, helping you develop muscle memory as you learn. This model offers 100 rhythms and tones and comes with 8 demo songs to spark your creativity. It also features a record and playback function, allowing you to track your progress and refine your performances. The LCD screen simplifies its 2 built-in teaching modes, making it easy to improve your skills quickly. Designed for flexibility, the RockJam RJ654 fits into any lifestyle. It can be powered using a wall adapter or batteries, making it perfect for both home use and on-the-go practice. For private sessions, you can use the headphone jack, while the 2 3-watt speakers deliver clear sound for sharing your music with others. It also includes a sheet music stand and exclusive access to the Simply Piano app, available on iOS and Android devices. This app helps you learn your favorite songs and master piano basics in a fun and easy way. The RockJam RJ654 is a versatile, user-friendly, and affordable tool, ideal for beginners or anyone looking to practice comfortably and with style. Well, that's it for today. Let us know if we helped you find the perfect digital piano or if there's another piano you'd like to see in our next top list. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. If you want more info or the latest prices for each product, make sure to check out the links in the video description and the first comment. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.